Welcome back to C#.NET Tutorials. I am Venkat, and in this video let us learn about implicitly typed variables in C#. So what are implicitly typed variables? So till now we have seen defining variables with data types like int, string, bool. Like that we have used keywords to define variables. But in this implicitly typed variables, we will use var as a keyword to define variables. So implicitly typed variables, it is a new feature added in C# 3.0, which allows declaring a variable using var keyword instead of int, string, object, bool, like that. Okay. The type of the variable is recognized depending upon the value we assign to that variable. Okay. So let us see how we can do this. Suppose till now we have defined variables like this, a equal to 10. So here we have used integer, okay, and we can use int, string, bool, like that. But implicitly typed variables, when it comes to implicitly typed variables, we will use var keyword, okay, var b equal to 11, okay. So var c equal to, let me give some string, welcome, var d equal to boolean, true, var e equal to 2.5 f, var f equal to something 2.8 m. So like this we can define, okay. So here you can see instead of the predefined data types, we are using var keyword, okay, var b equal to 11, var c equal to welcome. So we are using var for all different types of data types. But what is the data type of b? What is the data type of c? So the data type of these variables, will be defined based on the data we are assigning after the equal. Okay, what is the data type of b? So we are assigning 11. 11 is an integer. So the data type of b is integer. So here the data type of c is string because we are assigning string. The data type of d is boolean because we are assigning true. Like that we can identify the data types of these variables defined with var based on the value we are assigning. Okay. So using C# also we can identify the data types. Okay. So if you want to display the data types, console.WriteLine of b.getType. So getType is the method to read the data type of this variable. Okay. Let us run this. So you can see here it is a int32. The system data type is int32. Okay, here we have assigned integer, the data type is int32. Like that, let us try to display all the variables c, d, e, f. Okay, let me run this. Here you can see 11 is integer, okay, the welcome is string, true is boolean, 2.5 f is single, 2.8 m is decimal. Okay, so we will indicate decimal values with m, we will indicate floating values with f. Okay, single floating value. So like this we can define variables with var. So if you define any variable with var, we can call that as a implicitly typed variable. If you want to identify the data type of that implicitly typed variable, you can use getType. Okay, so getType.name. So this is how we can use implicitly typed variables. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.